Oh, hello everyone. We are here with the Charger and the my neighbor Steven, my awesome neighbor Steven, for the Charger's first drive after my, I guess you call it a rebuild or refresh. Got the power steering hooked up. It's still got to bleed the system, but I figure driving it will get the rest of the air out. I think I got all the leaks fixed. Fingers crossed on the power steering system. I don't have any leaks. But this will be the first drive. Not gonna have any performance driving. Just I may shift it down into first, second, third, all that. But won't be any performance driving in this one. This is just the maiden voyage, making sure everything works right. But let's go. It's cold. They don't like being cold.
No.
Going through the mufflers right now.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
This will be the first test of the new steering gearbox too. Got a bunch of crap in the back though. Third, there it is. I felt it going third right as we were slowing down.
Put a 50 in?
Yeah. I really don't like being cold. I may drive it through the neighborhood a little bit.
Get everybody looking at it. Everything looks okay. I still may have to adjust one of the bands, but I'm going to take it for another spin and see. Run it, you know?
Power steering looks good.
Oh yeah, she's out of good.
Adjusted for the outside. The other one I got to drop the fan to do it.
Hopefully it's pointing out that side.
May have to adjust my my throttle pressure a little bit. My kick down cable.
Switch back seat. first, but it's not all the time. So. I got the steering wheel almost centered.
Yeah, sounds good. You ain't got down into it too hard.
No, I didn't want to get into it too hard with it being its maiden voyage and everything.
Yeah.
Well, I think the first drive was definitely successful. Engine's not smoking or anything. I still have a power steering leak, but everything's good. I do have that weird problem with it slipping a little bit in first, but I noticed it slips a little bit when it's in drive starting off from a stop. But when I shift it into first, it seems to grab it okay. So I'm wondering if I did something wrong in the valve body for the shift kit. So I may have to get me a professionally built valve body. But I'm gonna do some more research on that. It might just be a band adjustment, but I'm thinking if I drop it down in first and it grabs good, but I leave it in drive and it doesn't, then I'm thinking it's probably just a valve body issue. But it went into all three gears. All three gears sounded good. It's just working out the kinks and getting it all worked out. But charger's running, driving again. Just gotta do some minor tweaks to it. But there we are. Charger's back going again on Easter Sunday. Hopefully everyone has a good Easter, spend time with their family. Well, I decided to,
before we end the video, I did decide to look at the power steering again, and I think my leak is coming from the very top of the gearbox where the pressure line goes on. I think that fitting's leaking right at the gearbox, so I just need to replace that crush washer and tighten it back down, and everything should be good. Still got some things to adjust, either band adjustment or valve body. Hopefully it's just a band adjustment. I'm gonna do some research, ask some questions in some of the 727 groups, but the motor was good. I didn't have any issues with the engine aside from being a little bit cold. Still probably needs a little bit of tweaking on the carburetor, but once it was warmed up, it was really okay. But I am very, very happy with the Charger's first drive since November, and that'll be it for the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.